Okay, so you're probably familiar with a situation like this. So you are connected to a Wi-Fi, you sit across or next to someone you know perhaps, and this pop-up shows up on your phone if you want to share the Wi-Fi password with certain people. Now, if you just click on share password, you're going to share it with this specific person. They don't have to actually type it in. So it can be a very useful feature, but how do you stop this from happening to you? Well, there is a workaround or like a method to make sure that you don't get this pop-up prompting you to share password with your close people. And the way to do that is by going to the home screen like that of your phone and just navigate to the contacts application. So I literally have like a few contacts here, but the one I just created is the contact example. And the way that it's going to work is that if you go ahead and click on edit and you delete their email iCloud address, so if you just click on the delete like that, now what's going to happen is that in the future when you sit next to the contact example, your Wi-Fi isn't going to be shared automatically. You're not going to get the prompts to share the Wi-Fi, which is something you want, right? You want to stop that, so this is how it works. Now, keep in mind that you still can add their email address, but it cannot be the one associated with their Apple ID. So if you just click on here and just add like a different one, it's okay to have it in their contact, but if you want to avoid the prompt to share Wi-Fi, this is what you have to do. This is like the unofficial method of sharing or stopping the sharing prompt, but yeah, this is exactly how it works. And if you want to know more stuff about the iPhone and how it works, for example, a full dynamic island course and full guide on how you can use it, then check out the link down below in the description. It is to the Foxtecc educational platform. It is free to join, and there are other courses and stuff you can watch for free, so definitely go ahead and do that. I will wait for you inside. For now, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the future video.